आरसी का नाम सुनते ही एंजाइटी आ जाती है। जो भी ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करो आंसर गलत ही होता है। अगर आप भी वही फील करते हो, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to give you simple and practical RC hacks जो कि हर CAT aspirant follow कर सकता है irrespective of the level of your English. Hi guys, I am Ruchika Bhartiya, an MBA from IIM Bangalore, and today's video is on RC, which is one of the most dreaded part of CAT exam, but a very important part of the VARC section which will help you to crack CAT exam. So let's dive right into this video. Watch till the end because ये tips and tricks सबको help कर सकते हैं. If you're preparing for CAT 2026, then also it can help you. And if you are giving CAT 2025, then also this can help you. So stay tuned. So let me lay this down very clearly. RC is a skill which can be built from any level. इस section के लिए fancy English नहीं चाहिए. You don't need to read novels. And honestly, कोई भी student RC improve कर सकता है अगर अप्रोच सही हो तो. So this video is on that. So most RC students make this mistake कि उनको लगता है कि थोड़े दिन कर लिया and improvement आ जाती है. But reading comprehension skill only improves if you do it every single day. Even 15 to 20 minutes की daily reading can improve your RC dramatically. रोज बस 15 to 20 minutes you should read some news, आर्टिकल्स, एडिटोरियल्स, ब्लॉग्स, जो भी इंटरेस्टिंग लगे, जिस भी टॉपिक में इंटरेस्टिंग लगे, हिस्ट्री, साइंस, साइकोलॉजी, just start with this and do it every single day. Consistency will lead to improvement. Now, the other way to build comprehension. How do you build that? So you start with small things that you do every time you read. So you start with summarizing. You read whatever article, whatever blog, news. Whenever you read anything, just ask yourself, in one line, what was the main idea of this article? What was the author trying to say in this article? No drama, nothing. Just in your mind, try to articulate it. And when you start doing it on an everyday basis, your comprehension will improve. Now, how do we eliminate options? This is the most tricky part in any RC and most of you struggle with this. Here are a few tips for that. RC passage के answers RC में ही मिलेंगे, अपने दिमाग से आंसर नहीं मिलते. So option eliminate करने के rules क्या हैं? If there are any extreme words like always, never, they are most likely wrong answers. If there is anything that is not talked about in the passage at all, is most likely to be a wrong answer. If there is a tone mismatch between what the author is saying and what the statement is saying, then also the likelihood is that the option is wrong. Best answer is not the most intelligent or right sounding answer. It is often the answer that is closest to the passage that is there. Very important aspect that a lot of people miss is mistake analysis. गलतियां मत ignore करो guys. Ask yourself, did you misread it? या आपने फास्ट पढ़ा, आपने ऑप्शन गलत समझा, आपने टोन सही अंडरस्टैंड नहीं किया. You need to understand exactly कि why did you mark that answer wrong. Simple. आप जो मॉक्स देते हो उसमें सेम चीज you have to identify what is it that you're doing which is making your answer wrong. Now, how do you fix this or how do you improve your RC? There are a lot of free resources that you can use to practice RC on an everyday basis to improve your score. I will list the link to all of them below in my description, so check them out. ये सारे resources variety देते हैं and real CAT exam के close आपको RC का flavor आएगा. Now this is for those who are giving CAT 2026 or you're just starting with your RC journey or you are a slow reader or a beginner, then this will help you definitely. मुझे कुछ अगर आपको लगता है मेरी रीडिंग स्लो है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता, then relax. For CAT आप प्लीज नॉवल से मत स्टार्ट करिए. अगर आपको रीडिंग की हैबिट नहीं है, then starting with novels is a bad idea. If you are giving CAT 2025, then novels is definitely not good for you. For novels, the issue I feel is that it takes more time and ROI is very low. For CAT, what is important is diversity of reading. So you should focus on more as editorials, articles, opinions, and diversity of topics within that. Go for articles. So I followed Guardian, New York Times, Wall Street Journal, Mint very closely, and you can also follow these. These give a good variety of topics and this improves your global reading as well. Start with easier topics that you are familiar with or you understand and then you slowly level up. If you are not very well versed with newspaper reading also, then start with the easiest newspaper that you can understand. Just start with the habit of reading something. Just one article every day. That will help you improve. RC सबके लिए है. It is not just for toppers और जिनकी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी है उनके लिए. But improvement सिर्फ उनका होता है जो डेली प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. So keep practicing and you will definitely see an improvement. अगर ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा, so do like and subscribe. Comment down what issues you are facing in your RC. All the best for CAT 2025 and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.